Welcome to the Spartan machinery, where innovation shapes infrastructure. At Spartan, we don't chase trends, we set them. Our machines are built not just for today's demands, but for tomorrow's possibilities. Designed with 80% production efficiency, industry-leading components, and intelligent process automation, we empower manufacturers to scale faster, smarter, and stronger. Whether it's 8-brick, 12-brick, 18-brick, or 21-brick systems, our fully automatic models are tailored for flexibility, output, and growth. With global exports and 400-plus installations, our machines are building the future across continents. From engineering excellence to end-to-end support, Spartan doesn't stop at machines. We deliver performance. We deliver possibility. We deliver tomorrow.